Saina.
And I'm Tanisha.
So in this video, we are going to talk about a few tips and tricks that can help you out this Holi.
So in order for you to have a happy Holi and a safe one indeed, we are coming up with some tips and tricks that we've been doing over the years that will help you keep your skin and your hair and your nails all safe and protected.
So I think without any further ado, let's get started. So of course, for the first and foremost tip is that you should go ahead and try and wear long sleeve shirts, t-shirts, kurtis, anything that is full sleeved, and pants. The reason why I'm saying this is because that way it will be less possible for the color to reach your skin and damage it. So if possible, go ahead and wear full sleeve clothes so that you're protected and play a safe Holi.
So another trick that you guys can try out is to protect your nails using nail polish. You can apply thick layers of nail polish, 2 to 3 coats. That way the color would not affect the nail bed and your nails would be protected.
And I personally prefer black. I do not know why, but I think it does not let the color in, and it keeps your nail bed clean. Also, you can go ahead and apply petroleum jelly on your nails, some sort of oil, yeah, so that.
So another basic and common trick that you guys can do is apply a rich coat of oil or hair oil all over your body. Do not even miss a single part, be it your neck, your back, everything. Apply oil everywhere, which would protect the color.
So if you're someone like us who have their hair colored, it is really important for you to go ahead and apply hair oil. Otherwise the next day you're gonna end up with random hair color. I mean red, blue, I don't know. I've seen that happen to one of my aunts. She got her hair, her entire hair turned red the next day, and she had to go back to the salon and get it fixed. So just make sure that you apply oil so that these chemicals and these colors do not reach your hair.
So in order to protect your skin and your body even more, you can put a thick layer of body lotion as well.
Yeah, so you do not want to end up looking like a character from the Avatar series. So it is really important for you to take that color off, and the only thing that's gonna help you with that is a moisturizer. So if you apply a moisturizer, it will be easier for you to take that color off when you take a bath post Holi festival. So yeah, don't forget a moisturizer. So moving on to the face, go ahead and try and massage your face for a good amount of 10 minutes using ice cubes. So that way your pores will be closed and the color won't get in. Before that, you need to make sure that your skin is totally moisturized. Go ahead and apply a serum that is good for your skin.
So after you've applied this serum, you can apply a thick layer of sunscreen, which is again water resistant and should have a good amount of SPF, so you're protected from the sunlight as well, plus all the colors and all the dirt.
Post that, if you want your skin to feel more moisturized, you can go ahead and apply a face oil. This one's from the Bio Bloom collection. It is a skincare face oil and it's really nice for your skin. It is a radiance booster, and I think it's gonna keep your skin really nice and moisturized. So you can apply a face oil and that is just optional.
Also, do not forget your lips, because the skin over there is very sensitive and they can catch hold of any dirt or color really easily. So you make sure you protect your lips using some lip balm. The one I would suggest is from Nivea. This is the original Care lip balm.
So when it comes to makeup, I would suggest that to keep it really minimal. Try and apply something that is waterproof. So for the eyes, you can just apply a mascara. So the one that I really like and the one that really curls up your lashes is the one from Maybelline. It is called Lash Sensational and it's really nice. It's also waterproof, so you can apply that, and I don't think you need something else. I don't think you need so much of makeup for the day.
No, not really. Another thing that we would suggest is for you guys to use herbal colors as much as it is possible, because we know it can get hard. Holi in India, we know.
I know most of you would end up getting some or the other kind of chemical on your skin, but I would prefer to stay away from chemicals and I mean just love your skin and try and stay away from colors as much as possible, unless you're playing with herbal colors, of course. So it is also really important for you to keep your gadgets safe. Try and find a plastic bag that is water resistant. Nowadays we have a lot of those in the market. You can simply just put your phone inside that and you can still use it, and it also stays waterproof. And if you have a waterproof phone, then that's great. I mean, but still.
So you can also give your nails, your ears and your neck an extra layer of protection by using petroleum jelly, which is also Vaseline. And I guess that's it for today's video. I really hope that you guys go forward and use these tips and tricks and protect yourself this Holi and have a safe one.
So the most important tip is that try and keep yourself safe. Don't let anybody harass you by saying ki bura na mano, Holi hai. So don't let that happen to yourselves. Be safe and try and play a very nice and happy Holi. So that's it for this video. Please go ahead and like this video and comment down below if we have missed out on a tip or trick that you follow. And we'll be happy to do that ourselves.
Go ahead and subscribe to our channel and help our family grow, and we wish you guys a very happy and safe Holi,
and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.